So how was the tummy time? Did Zoe sleep?
She did. She slept like 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Pretty good, thank you. Thank you, Zoe.
Zoe. Que Zoe.
Yesterday we're talking to Grandma. Grandma was giving us a suggestion here because we noticed the babies were sleeping too much on their back and they get a little baldness going, which is normal. So we decided to get them to sleep on their bellies. Also help with their sleep because then they'll sleep in any position. And our team here is today training that. We have here Solange and the teammates Carla and Zoë sleeping on the floor on this rug. This is their play station here. We got books, Bible stories, the whole thing. But now it's nap time. Solange is taking a nap as well. This one here is already into her sleep.
Mas eu tinha que fazer desde pequenininho, meu filho.
So this is tummy time. We should have been doing tummy time from the first month, but for some odd reason, what's the reason we didn't do it?
Elas não gostavam.
Well, they didn't like it.
They didn't like it.
They didn't like it originally, but now
They don't like either, but they have to.
they don't like it either. But we agree with Grandma. Grandma knows best. Let's do this. You guys notice, totally quiet. And here we put a pillow that is kind of a solid color pillow because the colors are kind of distracting to them. Is she having a dream? Sometimes it backfires. They wake up.